What is up, everyone? It's your girl, Fly Girl Nina, and welcome back to Fly Girl Bartending. Today we'll be making two Valentine's themed cocktails. These cocktails are great for a Galentines Day party, or even just a girls' night too. Both of these cocktails are super delicious, so let's just go ahead and learn how to make them. The first cocktail we're gonna make is a strawberry shortcake espresso martini. The first thing we're gonna do is rim our martini glass with some strawberry puree and a strawberry shortcake crumble. If you want the recipe on how to make this strawberry shortcake crumble garnish, you can check out my cocktail blog. The full recipe will be there. And I'll make it easy on you and leave a link in the description. We're gonna set this to the side and start our cocktail. Something that is essential to this cocktail is we're gonna top it with a strawberry sweet cream cold foam. This basically just has two ingredients, heavy cream and strawberry syrup. So I'm gonna shake this cold foam. You could also use like one of those like milk frother things used for coffee as well. And so I'm gonna put in 2 ice cubes and then shake it until I hear that the ice is almost fully dissolved. Shaking it will give it the aeration that I want, with the ice simultaneously kind of like thinning out the texture so that it lays nicely on top. Okay, I'm gonna set this to the side and we'll start making our cocktail. For the first ingredient, we're gonna add a 1/2 ounce of strawberry simple syrup. Next, we're gonna add 1 ounce of espresso. Next, we're gonna add 1 ounce of butterscotch schnapps. And lastly, 1 ounce of vanilla vodka. Now let's add some ice and shake it up. Bring your glass back out and strain the cocktail into the glass. And now we're gonna bring our cold foam back out and float it on top. So instead of just pouring it like all over the place, I'm actually gonna aim for like one side, and then it'll like spread and like seep out onto like the top of the cocktail. Whatever. And for the final touch, we're just gonna add some more of our strawberry shortcake crumble on top. She's looking mighty fine right now, if I do say so myself. If you want a better picture, here's one here. Let's go ahead and try it. Cheers! Oh my god, so good. So good. You have to make the strawberry shortcake crumble. It is just a lovely drinking experience, getting those like sparkles of strawberry in there. It's just so good. Our next cocktail is called Butterfly Kisses. This cocktail is kind of like a riff on an aviation, but with my own like little twists and turns in there. For the first ingredient, we're gonna add a 1/4 ounce of butterfly pea flower tea syrup. If you want to recreate this syrup at home, just make butterfly pea flower tea and then add sugar and melt it over like a medium heat until the sugar is dissolved. And there you got the syrup, okay? Next, you're gonna add 3/4 of an ounce of lemon juice. Next, we're gonna add a 1/2 ounce of maraschino liqueur. 2 dashes of rose water. You can get this at any liquor store. And lastly, 1.5 ounces of a Blanco tequila. Spilled so much. All right, we're gonna make up for that spill think that's a lot. Whatever. You know what? Hey. This is optional, but I'm gonna add a small scoop of purple edible glitter just because I really want to make this cocktail purple. Now add some ice and shake it up. We are going to serve this cocktail into a coupe glass. And I'm going to top it off with a little bit of champagne. And to tie it all together and give it a Valentine's feel, I'm going to garnish it with some dried edible rose petals. And here's a picture of it. Cheers! That is so good. It's so... I feel like I always say the word refreshing on this channel, but it's true, it's very refreshing. It's very like nice, light, florally, but not like too florally. I think the maraschino kind of helps lessen the floral aspect, but just gives it like a nice sweetness to it. If you're more like a mimosa or from 75 person, I feel like you would really like this. It's just very nice and elegant, and I love it. If you want the full run recipes for both these cocktails, as well as the strawberry shortcake crumble, there's some links in the description that will lead you right to my cocktail blog, flagobartending.com. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope that you'll also have a fantastic Valentine's or Galentine's Day, and I will see you next time on Flago Bartending. Stay flat.